Hello guys, Man Mechanic here. Now we've got the engine rebuild part 1. As you can see, crankshafts out, con rods have all been cleaned. I'm leaving the pistons in this because they're actually pretty good. There's no wear, no movement on them at all. So what I've done is I've completely and totally and utterly cleaned it, degreased it, cleaned all the journals. And what you've got here, as you can see here, these are screws for the oil way. So what I've done is I've taken them all out, blown them all through with compressed air, and everything's all cleaned. Camshafts out. Like I say, I'm leaving the pistons in because there's hardly any movement on the actual rings themselves, and the compressions are very good. So anyway, there you go. It's the first bit, part 1 of the engine build. So it's all been stripped down, cleaned up, and ready for the new bearings to turn up.